Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making it safe, unplug the power and all cables, then wait 5 minutes so capacitors bleed off. Once done, remove the faceplate and any hard drive. This gives you clear access. Use a plastic pry tool to release clips, then remove the Torx screws with T8/T10 bits. Make sure to keep screws organized in labeled piles. You're now at the chassis. Do not force parts. If something resists, double-check for hidden screws before continuing. Next, take off the top shell and carefully lift the DVD assembly, observing the ribbon cable orientation so you can reattach it later. Once exposed, inspect the tray gears and belt for broken teeth or slack. Look at the laser lens for dust and the spindle for wobble. You can gently spin the motor by hand to feel resistance. If the belt is loose or the tray gears are stripped, plan to replace them. This is often the root cause of reed or tray issues. Finally, swap any worn belts or stripped gears and clean the laser with a 90% isopropyl swab, gentle circular motions only. Once components are replaced, reseat the ribbon cable in its correct orientation and reassemble the case in reverse order, tightening screws snugly but not over-tightening them. Power the console with no disk to check initial spin and LED behavior, then test with a known good disk. If you still get errors, one key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.